Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. In this video I'm going to showing you how to cleaning a face and removing pimples. You can see this video that I have a pimples, and in this video you can see the face is clean it and remove it the pimples with Adobe Photoshop. And first I'm going to open and getting original picture and going to the toolbar and selecting list tool and making a circle around any pimples, okay, like this. And last we selected the all pimples, and around or under any circle just right click and delete and field selection. You can see the pimples is removed. And now one click at the background and press and hold Ctrl J from your keyboard and go to the layer, just click here and go to filter, go to camera raw filter and come down, and if you see the effects list, close it, just open and get the texture to -100 and select the sanity as 20 or 30, okay, and click OK. And now click here again and press and hold Ctrl G or Ctrl J and press again and hold Ctrl I and go to the normal list filter, select vivid light and go to filter and go to other and select high pass, and now make any number, okay. And now again turn to the filter, go to blur and Gaussian blur and now set the radius, okay, and any number, okay. Now press and hold Ctrl and select layer number 1 and number 1 copy together, and again press and hold Ctrl G to making a group, and just one click at the group and go to mask, click at the mask and press and hold Ctrl I to reversing the all filter process, okay, or all filtered process. So now go to the brush tool and in here change the size of the circle, okay, you can change to any size. So now just clean here you can see the face or the effect is working automatically when you clean it. And this video has come to end. If you want you can cleaning the hand so with the face, okay guys, this video has come to end, so thank for watching. Don't forget press the like button and share to learning another people's, and subscribe my channel to see more video and next time. So thank you for watching, goodbye, see you again next time.